guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and join the journey of saving money all 2022. Before I hop into this video, I do want to say that my son is in the background listening to his tablet, so if you hear any noise, that is what you hear. Let's go ahead and organize our cash and get right into this cash stuffing. So, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing well. I feel like it's been so long since I've done a video, and I have been really excited to put this video out. I just, waiting for payday is just such a long process. So this is one of our lower cash stuffings. I will be stuffing a total of $403, but here in my cash tray I have a total of $353 that I will be stuffing because one challenge gets money that stays in the bank. Let's go ahead and get started with our daily funds. So I have all of my notes here on my notebook, but I don't think you all can see it, but it is really just there for me to be able to take note of everything that I'm stuffing. So like usual, grocery gets nothing. My personal fund is getting $15 and has $2 left over. We'll just sit that in the back there. So a 5 and a 10 for 15. And then my son's personal fund is getting $10. Next is fast food. Fast food is getting $20. So a 20. Gas is getting $30, so 20 and a 10. And then give is getting $2, and it has $1, $2, $3 left over, and I'm just gonna put this in the back and grab $2 more. So 1, 2. Going in give. Okay, so that was super quick. That is all that I am putting into our daily funds. I'm just going to sit this to the side over here. Next is my low and high priority sinking funds. So business is getting nothing. My husband is getting $10, so a 10. My husband's envelope now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25. $125. Next is vacation. Vacation is getting $10 as well. So vacation now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30. So $130 in vacation. Make sure you guys can see. Date night is getting $10. So add a 10. Date night now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. Date night now has a total of $148, which is great. Miscellaneous is getting $10 as well. And miscellaneous now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. So $140 in miscellaneous. And memberships is getting $5. So 5. Memberships now has 20, 30, 35, 40, $45. And I really don't know what I'm going to spend that on. So we'll figure something out. Okay, and that is all for my high or my low priority sinking funds. All right, so going into my high priority sinking funds, we're going to be starting with emergency. So emergency is getting a $20 bill. So emergency now has 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 70. So a total of $370. Next is our new place envelope. It's also getting $20. New place now has 1, 52, 53, 54, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 510, 520. So $520, which is amazing. Next is car cash, and I know you guys are probably like, oh my gosh girl, you had money in car cash. But today I had to spend it on a transmission oil change, so we're going to be restocking this with $40 today. So $40, and $12 is supposed to be going back in here from my transaction today. So that gives it a total of 20, 40 plus 12 is 52. So car cash has a total of $52. Next is health. Health is getting $5. Health now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 1, 2, oops, sorry. Let me start over. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 6, 7. So $107 is now in health. Next is my anniversary envelope. Anniversary is getting $10. So anniversary now has 50, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30. So $130 is now in anniversary. Wedding is also getting a $10 bill. So a 10, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40. So $140 in wedding. Next is my holidays envelope. It is getting $20 because this year is flying by and we're going to need money for Christmas. So holidays now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 110. So 110 in holidays. And debt is getting $20 as well. And whatever I have in this envelope will be getting paid as soon as I move in May. So this will be going towards my credit card debt. So debt now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. My goal is to get it to at least 100. So that is all for this binder right now. I'll be coming back for my challenge in the back. But now we're going to move on to our other challenges first. Our first challenge is our $1 challenge. We'll be getting $5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it is almost time to count this. So I am so excited to count it, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but we're going to put that to the side. Next is the $600 challenge, which is a challenge that I have in my bank for my son. So that challenge will be put here on the screen so you guys can see the total that I have for that, and I'm so excited to finish it. Next is my self-care challenge, which will be going in this envelope, and I forgot to color in these. Self-care is getting a 20. For my son's challenge, it will be getting 50. So let's scratch that off. So our self-care challenge is getting a 20. And I'm so excited for my move to come up because I have a bunch of cool videos to put out for you guys. I really hope that you guys like them, and I just want you guys to stay tuned because I'm so excited to put the videos out and just give you guys some good content. So this is the 1K rainy day and 1K household challenge. It is getting nothing this time around, but on May 1st, both of them will be getting stuffed. So I'm just gonna put this to the side for now. Next is my 100 envelope challenge, or the 5K challenge. I will be stuffing 2 envelopes. I will be stuffing 31 and 3 for a total of $34. And these are my 2 envelopes right here. So we're gonna go ahead and start with 3, and I'm gonna take the money from my leftover and put it into one of these. So $3 goes in this one, and then 31. So 20, 31. And put this to the side. And then next, or last but not least, is our 1 month ahead challenge in the back of our sinking fund binder. We will be stuffing a total of $30 in this envelope. So let's go ahead and fill in 30. Oops, I hope you guys can see that. I want to put these $2 in the debt envelope, so I'll just add that and then recount it. So 20 and 10 for 30. Let's add that in the back here. Oop. And okay. So that challenge is complete now. Slide that in there, and then we're just gonna put the $2 in our debt envelope, and our new total now for debt is $20, $40, $60, $70, $75, $76, $77. Alright guys, that is all that I have for you in this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're interested in my cash stuffing and want to join my journey of saving money all 2022. But until next video, bye!